Steve Smith, Southern Maine Motors, Saco, Maine. Tell you about a vehicle that just arrived here at the dealership. It's a 2007 Chevy Cobalt, stock number 8525. It's a silver two-door automatic, a 2.2 liter 4-cylinder engine, 15-inch Goodrich tires. I'll tell you a little bit more about this vehicle. A little spoiler on the back of this one to give it that sporty look. Has some manual features, a manual roll-up window, a manual adjustable seat. It is a manual transmission, as a matter of fact. We do have a nice CD player that was installed by the previous owner. Front-wheel drive, again a 4-cylinder engine. It's going to give you that great two-door coupe, sporty, economical gas mileage. Here in the back, now this is a Cobalt LS, just so that you know as far as equipment is concerned. Nice look to the vehicle, very clean. We have a fold-down rear seat, a 60-40 split. A lot of space there in the trunk. Very affordable car here. This is again a front-wheel drive, so it'll be excellent in the Maine winters. If you are looking for something kind of fun to drive, very affordable to meet all of your budget and payment needs, this is the car for you folks right here. Give me a call, Steve Smith at Southern Maine Motors in the direct sales department. I can be reached at 207-282-4101. Again, a 2007 Chevy Cobalt LS. Look forward to hearing from you, and you can see this and all the other great vehicles we have available on our website at southernmainemotors.com.